Hi friends, welcome to my channel Digital Srikanth. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create the logo completely for free of cost. So if you want to create the logo, we need to go a website called canva.com. So in canva.com, we can create not only the logo, any kind of graphic designs, like we can create a presentations or Facebook post, Instagram post, or banners for your websites, logos, and many more. If you want to work with canva.com, just go to sign up button here, click the sign up button. It will ask you to register. You can register using Google account, Facebook account, or else you can directly with your email ID. So as I am already having an account with this, I'm just directly logging in here. Once you log in, you can see the dashboard like this. Here we need to click create a design option. Click this option and select whatever the design you want, right? Whether you want logo or Instagram post or YouTube thumbnail, there are many options are there. Go to logo, click this one. It will open in a new tab. There are a lot of inbuilt templates will available here. So use any one of these templates to design your own logo, or else we can design directly from scratch. There are a lot of elements which will be helpful for you to design the logos, and you can upload some other image which you can download from online, or if you are already having some images, you can upload here and you can use this in your logos. You can add the text, and there are many options are there. So for time being, I am just choosing one template here. For example, I am choosing this template. You can see there is separate icon is there for real estate. This is related to real estate template. Just check here. You can change the colors here. Whatever the colors you want to change, you can change the colors like this. Okay, and you can change the name also here. Just click here and select the font, whatever the font you like. Select the size of the font, or you can change the color also here. Let us say you can change the color here. Let me rename using my logo, and we can make it somewhat bigger size, and you can drag and drop wherever you want to. If you don't like this one, you can change this. Go to elements and search with real estate. You can find a lot of elements will come here. Choose any one of the element which you like here. Okay, so for timing I am just choosing this one. I will remove this. Click on delete, go to this place, and I can change everything here. Let me change the font here. And if you want to keep tagline, you can keep, or else you can directly delete that element. Make it in center. Try to increase the size. Select complete logo. Once the logo got completed, you can directly download the logo, and we can use this logo for your websites or for your Facebook profile photo, wherever you want. So like this, we can easily design not only the logo, you can design any kind of graphics here. You can see there are a lot of options are there. We can find any kind of graphic designs. If you want to design your card or your website banner or WhatsApp status or videos, anything is possible, and each and every platform they are having their own templates. And if you want to go with your own size, you can go for custom size here. Click this custom size and choose the size whichever you want. Let us say if you want the size of 250 into 50, click on create a design, and as per the size which you give, automatically the template will refresh and come here. Use the template and make the changes. Create a design completely for free of cost. And whatever the designs you did in your past, if you want to access those designs, you can go to all your designs here. In this place, you can be able to find the designs which you already complete it in your past. So if any of your friends or family members are sharing the design with you, we can go to this place. You can create a team and work as a team here. Okay, and whatever the uploads you did, you can go to these uploads and you can check here. If you want to get even more and more features, go to Canva Pro. So in Canva Pro, you can get more advanced templates and video elements, and moreover we can get more and more editing features also, like removing the backgrounds. Everything we can do in Canva Pro. So just click the link in the description. I just put the Canva link there. By using that link, you can go to this website and you can design your logo completely for free of cost. Okay friends, if you like this video, click on like button, and if you have any doubts or if you want any new videos, just mention in comments so that I will try to create new videos with that topic. And please do share with your friends and family members. If you want to see this kind of videos or if you want to get the notifications of my upcoming videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon.